Cappucino. Did you pee-pee? Did you go pee-pee in the house? Well, I'm not gonna hurt you. What, your tongue is sticking out. Why did you pee-pee in the house? Cappy? What'd you do that for? Why? Why would you go pee-pee in the house? Come look at me. Aw, you're cute. It's okay. Hey, now, come on, come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Come on, come here. It's okay. I know. You probably had to go. I know. Oh, well. You're getting older.